Okay, so today's lesson is 10.10, Part 1, Surface Area of a Prism. So to find surface area, we are looking at each individual sides of a box. So here we have top and bottom. So top and bottom, if I highlight my top and bottom, here's my top, and this would be my bottom right here. Now to find the area of a parallelogram, the formula would be A is equal to BH. So then you have A is equal to, the base is 6 times 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. Well, there's a top and a bottom, there's two of them, so that's why you're going to multiply by 2. So the answer would be 48 centimeters square. Now let's look at sides of a prism. Well, here's a side, and here's a side. Okay, so those are your sides of your prism. You have to look at the numbers. So same thing, finding the area of a parallelogram is area is equal to BH. A is equal to, well, the base, well, if you look on this, it says 4, and the length of this would be 8. So 4 times 8, and area is equal to 32. But we have two sides, so 32 times 2 is 64 centimeters square. Now let's look at front and back. So front and back. Well, this is the front here. That's the front, and then the back is back here. This would be the back. Okay, same formula. Area is equal to BH. So if you look here, the base right here is 6, and the height, here's the height right here, would be 8. So 6 times 8, and area is equal to 48. And 48 times 2 is 96 centimeters square. Now, what we're doing is we're taking this prism and taking it apart. And so now we want to know the total surface area. So now all you have to do is add up 48 plus 64 plus 96, and you'll get 208 centimeters square. All right. Try the next one on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. Alright, so you should have had top and bottom. Area is equal to BH. Well, looking at this, my bottom would be this down here, and then over here would be this. Be my bottom. So this would be area is equal to, well, this long is 12, and this short run right here is the same as up here, so that'd be 2 inches. So area is equal to 24. 24 times 2 is 48 inches square. Okay, my sides. So this is my side here, and this would be my side. Okay, same formula. Area is equal to BH. Area is equal to the base. Okay, so this would be the base here would be 2. The height is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 times 2 is 20 inches square. Okay, front and back. Well, this is the front right here. Oops. And then this would be the back here. Okay, so you have area is equal to BH. Area is equal to, well, the long is 12 times the height would be 5. And area is equal to 60. And 60 times 2 is 120 inches square. Now once you have all three things, you're going to add 48 plus 20 plus 120, and you'll get 188 inches square. Alright, let's look at the back side. Now we have a triangular prism. So triangular prism, front, top, and bottom, or really front and back. Remember, this is your top and bottom. It's a triangle, so the formula for a triangle is area is equal to 1/2 BH. And then you have area is equal to 1/2 times the base is 6 over 1 times the height is 5 over 1. Cross reduce, and you get area is equal to 15. But 15, you have 2 top and bottom, so you've got 15 times 2, which equals 30 millimeters square. Now let's get your sides. So I'm just going to highlight one of them. What shape is this side? Hopefully you had said that shape is a parallelogram, so the formula of this would be A is equal to BH. Okay, so we are saying that this triangle is a equilateral triangle. So this would be A is equal to the base is 6 and the height of the parallelogram is 9. So A is equal to 54, and 54 times 3 is 162 millimeters square. Add them up and you'll get 192 millimeters square. Okay, try the next one on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. So hopefully you had known that the top and bottom is your triangles. Okay, so your formula for a triangle is area is equal to 1/2 BH. Area is equal to 1/2 times the base is 9 over 1 times the height is 4 over 1. Cross reduce, and you get A is equal to 18. And 18 times 2 is 36 inches square. The side, if you'll notice, it makes a parallelogram. So A is equal to BH. A is equal to 9 times 16. A is equal to 144. 144 times 3 is 432 inches square. And add them up and you get 468 inches square.